All right, fishing the St. Joe River again with Spencer. Today it's just after Thanksgiving. What is it, November 23rd, 24th, I think. And Saturday morning we got here about 6:30, just like last time. It was raining just like last time. And hopefully the rain's gonna stop soon. I'll get some other film footage going. But yeah, I don't know, we're the only two people here again. I don't know if he's caught anything. He's fishing kind of the other side of the river than me. All right, first smallie of the morning. Not a bad one, it's probably 18 inches. 357. So here we go. First fish on the Silver Buddy blade bait. Just fishing it. It's probably in 15 feet of water. We snagged about a 25-inch walleye earlier, right in the belly. Would have been a nice one to take home and eat, but we snagged it right in the belly and drew that one back. So we snagged something else big early on. I'm sure it was probably a carp. So it had a lot of power and it was pulling me down, but never saw it. So there we go, one fish in the boat. It is about 8:30. So hopefully we can catch some more. Keep watching. And it stopped raining. We're gonna try up here where we caught the big one last week. We can't catch another big one. We're gonna cast up here and snag. We're gonna do that 4 times. Snag number 1. Got it back again. Ooh, I think I had a miss. That's right where we had the big one last week. So we already got a 19-incher, 3.57 pounds, I believe. So I'd be happy with that any day. Good fish. The smart thing I did is I left where I caught a fish. Finally caught a fish, and then I left that spot. So what I usually do. I wouldn't want to catch 2 fish. Just 1 fish is fine. Alright, we hooked up to something. I'm sure it's a big carp. Again. It'd be nice if it was something other than the carp. Maybe a salmon or a steelhead. Don't mind the fight of a carp. It's kind of fun. Just wish it was something other than a carp. It's 9:10 right now. Yeah, there it is. Big old carp. Hooked it right in the top. Surprised it hasn't gotten free yet. Right in the top of the fin. There. Big carp be free. Smallie number 2. 18.5 inches. Last one was 19 and 3.57. 392. 18.5, 392. Nice. Caught on the blade bait. I was using a black and gold Demiki Vault. So. Thought I had it. Now it feels like a carp. Thought maybe it was another bass. Oh, pop free. Oh, probably a carp. Big old scale on it. Yep, that was definitely a carp. So many carp around here, but I've caught 2 bass mixed in with all the carp. So I got to keep fighting through the snagged carp, try to catch a couple more bass. Alright, we're going to try the A-rig and see how long it takes before we snag a big old carp on this thing and Probably snagged the carp for a second. Maybe. Scales don't lie. Snagged a big carp for a second. Geese want to get in on the action. So we got about a half an hour left. I'm fishing the A-rig. Might go back to the blade bait for the last half an hour. Two fish in the boat right now. A 3.5 pounder and an almost 4, so that's a pretty good day. 7.5 pounds, 2 fish, and a little group of geese following me around.